It's Kayla from both Happy and Healthy Kayla as well as Kayla Weber 99 on Instagram. Today I wanted to do a follow along with me eyeshadow tutorial for this look. It's definitely a bit dramatic, we got the cat eye look going. But I just wanted to do some kind of fun and pink, and I don't know, this is what I came up with. It's using the Too Faced Natural Lust palette, but of course, if you have similar colors to the ones that I use in the video, you can definitely use those. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. And without further ado, here we go. So first things first, we are going to apply some concealer to our eyes. Once again, this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Concealer, and it just looks like that. Just gonna blend it in with our finger. Perfect. So for eyeshadow today, we are going to be using the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. I got this palette maybe a year ago or so, and I really love it. I've actually hardly made a dent in it. But it's a lot of nice neutral colors as well as some crazier colors like this fuchsia up here or this blue. But yeah, I definitely recommend looking into this. Once again, it's the Too Faced Natural Lust palette. So starting off, I am going to take this color, which is Come and Get It, on this random Anastasia Beverly Hills double-ended brush. I have quite a few of these, so I use them all the time. I'm just going to pick it up on the fluffy end, like so, and work it back and forth in windshield wiper motions in my crease. So I'm just going to keep adding more of that color until I get the look that I want. Okay, so I've applied the eyeshadow to both eyes, and it looks like that. Next, I am going to take this crazy color that I mentioned before, Pin Down, which is a fuchsia color, and I'm just going to put it on the same end and kind of work it into the crease as well, putting it over top of Come and Get It. This time, I'm not doing the windshield wiper motions. I'm just working from the outside to the inside because I want the color to be more concentrated on the outside. But at the same time, I don't want harsh lines, so of course I want to do a little bit of blending inwards. Honestly, I love that color. Like, you can't deny that it's gorgeous, okay? So now I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. Okay, so now I've done both sides, and it looks like this. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but every time I go in, I move my head in the wrong direction. Like I said, no sense of spatial recognition. Anyways, next I want to take this golden color called Oops-a-Daisy. It is right there. And I'm gonna take the like the packed end of this brush, and I'm going to put it on the middle of my eyelid. So this is what we're working with. And now, of course, I'm gonna do it to the other side. Honestly, I don't think you need a ton of technique to do this. It's just literally packing color onto your eyelid until you get a good pigmentation. So now I have applied that to both eyelids and it's looking like that. And what I want to do now is taking a flat brush. This, I honestly don't know what brand this is, but it says that it's a defined concealer brush. It's just a flat end, like so. And I'm going to pick up that fuchsia color again, pinned down. And I'm going to kind of make a V with the outer corner up through here. I'll show you what I mean. But basically, I just kind of want to make a little V there. So right now, this is looking very crazy. But I'm not keeping it like that. Don't worry. I'm going to take that same fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up a lighter color. I think I'm going to go with Love Language, which is just a light baby pink. And I'm just going to work it into the crease so it's less intense. Okay, so I blended it a bit. And you can see the difference. This side I haven't done yet. But this side, the color is a bit more blended. But I do want to keep the sharp edge here because I'm gonna do kind of like a black eyeliner look with it. If it really bothers you, if you're not gonna wear eyeliner or anything like that, feel free to blend out the sharp line. But I'm just gonna do what I did to this eye to the other eye. Okay, so now this is what it's looking like. And I want some more of that gold color on the lid, so we're gonna do that. Sometimes I feel like, as if I've been doing this forever, this is my second makeup video, I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like I should be talking about something aside from what I'm doing makeup-wise. Like, I feel like I should be talking about, like, boys or clothes or pop culture or something, but I don't know what exactly you guys are interested in me talking about, but if you ever want me to do like a get ready with me with a theme to discuss, let me know, because I love talking. I don't know, I just feel like you guys are clicking on this video to see me do my makeup, not to hear my life story, you know, but I'm willing to share it. But anyways, yeah, it's looking kind of intense right now. I mean, that's part of the goal, but what I'm gonna do now is, I couldn't find my black eyeliner actually, I don't know where it went. So instead, I'm just going to use I guess this brush, and pick up the black, which is blindfolded. Any matte black works. And I'm just gonna drag it along my lash line, up the tail of the fuchsia color, just to sharpen it up. And I don't really have a special method for this. I just kind of do patting right along my lashes as close as I can get on the top, and then just do a little cut upwards. And you know what? If it gets a little messy at the tail, that's okay. That's why we have Q-tips, okay? So, yeah, just let me use my mirror because Your girl needs it. So that's what this side looks like. Turned out a little thicker than I had hoped, but honestly, I don't mind because sometimes I just like doing thick eyeliner on myself personally because I feel like it kind of gives me not a baby doll look, but I don't know. It gives me like doe eyes or something. Unless I fully don't understand what doe eyes are, but I think I have a grasp. So anyways, I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay. So that's what it's looking like. Now I'm just going to carry a bit of the fuchsia as well as the black down onto my lower lash line. To do that, I'm just going to use the same little squared off brush. And it already has some black on it, so I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the fuchsia. Ooh. Oh my. I had some fallout and I tried wiping it away. That was a mistake. Guys, this is such a fail. I'm just rubbing it all over my face. So I think I need to go get a face cloth and like take care of this real quick. Okay, I fixed that situation. Yeah, so you can definitely see the difference on this side compared to this side. I don't know, I like the smoky look today, so I'm gonna do that on this side too, but if you're not a huge fan, I mean, you don't have to do this stuff. Okay. So this is what we're working with. And now, to finish, I'm just gonna slap on some mascara. Like last time, I'm just using this e.l.f. one, which is the lash extending mascara. I think this is like $2 or $3 Canadian. And I really like the wand, to be honest, but feel free to use whatever you like. And because I put black on my lower lashes, I'm also gonna put a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes, which isn't something that I always do. Perfect. And you know what? I'm just gonna take some of my concealer and put it beneath my eye just to brighten it up. Obviously, if you're doing a full face of makeup, just, do that now, but I've been trying not to do a ton of face makeup lately, to give my skin a break, let it air out. I don't know if that's the right term, but like, I don't know. I've just trying. I can't talk today. I've been trying to give my skin a break and not put just foundation and concealer on it day after day because it's really not necessary. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this to brighten things up a bit. And I don't use the little sponge to blend it in. I usually use a different brush. This one I also don't know the brand, but it says Blurring Concealer. And this is the absolute final product. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you have any requests for future makeup videos or maybe a get ready with me with a specific topic, please comment down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!